the boom lift, the 40-foot boom lift, which I rigged with this setup to move windows into position. It was pretty sketchy at times, but it worked really well. We've got all our windows in now, and the roof paper's on. We're dried in, and the plumbers are doing their plumbing inside. Any observations, Mrs. Matt's garage?
Well, getting those windows in was harrowing, to say the least.
Oh, nice vocab.
Oh, yeah.
Harrowing. The big windows weighed 650 pounds.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was a bear to get them out of the truck, to get them into position, but it all went smoothly, nothing cracked.
Luckily, due to Matt's ingenuity, we were able to rig something super cool
It's very nice.
to
very
be able
sweet.
to get the windows into place.
It's just redneck engineering.
That's what you're good
But
at.
it works.
That's what you're good at.
Don't thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take that as a compliment. So
Yeah.
the next, what?
Of course it's a compliment.
Well, I was just saying. The next steps are finish the plumbing.
Mechanical.
The roof gets delivered today. They'll
Right.
lay the shingles on the roof. And then, yeah,
Siding.
mechanical, we got to wait a couple weeks for.
So on the exteriors, we've got roof and then siding.
Right.
And then on the interiors, we have plumbing to be finished, mechanical, HVAC.
And then electrical will come
Electrical
in.
come
The
in.
vacuum thing.
Yes, we got to get that interior vacuum thing to make vacuuming this monster
Yeah.
a little easier.
So on the
Yeah.
next episode, we'll do more of an interior tour because it's pretty dark right now. And then, yeah, we'll keep going. See you next time.
On Matt's Garage.
Boom.